Hello children, today we are going to discuss the hot weather season. Okay? The hot weather season. Okay children? Hot weather season, or it is also known as summer season. Okay, so children, due to the apparent northward movement of the sun, the global heat belt shifts northward. As such, from March to May, it is hot weather season in India. Okay children, what is the duration of summer months? From March to May. This is the duration of summer season. Okay, now the influence of the shifting of the heat belts can be felt or can be seen clearly from the temperature recordings taken during March to May at different latitudes. In March, the highest temperature is about 38 degrees Celsius. The 38 degrees Celsius recorded on the Deccan Plateau. Okay, in this region, children, this is the region where temperature is recorded 38 degrees Celsius. Okay, in March, the highest temperature is 38 degrees Celsius recorded on the Deccan Plateau. In April, temperature in Gujarat and Madhya Pradesh, here in Madhya Pradesh and Gujarat, temperature is 42 degrees Celsius. How much? 42 degrees Celsius. So see, in the month of March, temperature is 38 degrees Celsius in Deccan Plateau region. In the month of April, this is the condition of April in Gujarat and Madhya Pradesh, temperature is 42 degree. In May, temperature of 45 degrees Celsius is common in the northwestern part of the country. In the month of May, if you see, in the month of May, temperature here, take in these parts, temperature is 45 degrees Celsius, northwestern part of the country, Punjab, Haryana, Rajasthan, UP, northwestern part of the India. In peninsular India, temperature remains lower due to the moderating influence of the oceans. In this part, children, in which part? In the peninsular region, here. Okay, in this part, temperature remains moderating. Okay, temperature remains lower due to moderating influence. In this part, temperature is low because of the influence of the ocean. Okay, because of the influence of the ocean in the peninsular region, the temperature remains low as compared to the northern part of the country. The summer months experience rising temperature and falling air pressure. Okay children, in summer months, temperature increases and pressure decreases. Okay, temperature keep on increasing and pressure keep on decreasing. In the northern part of the country, towards the end of May, an elongated low pressure area develops in the region extending from the Thar Desert in the northwest to Patna and Chota Nagpur Plateau in the east. Okay children, towards the end of the May, a low pressure area develops from the Thar deserts to this region, Patna as well as Chota Nagpur Plateau region. This is the region of low pressure from Thar Desert to Patna and in the Chota Nagpur Plateau region. Okay. Circulation of air begins to set around this trough, and air moves here. Air start moving from this trough. Now, a striking feature of the hot weather season is the loo. Okay, children, this is the striking feature of summer season. Loo. These are strong, gusty, hot, dry winds blowing during the day over the north and the northwestern India. Sometimes they even continue until late in the evening. Direct exposure to these winds may prove fatal also. Means these are very dangerous. Dust storms are very common during the month of May in northern India. In northern India, dust storms. Okay, dust storms are also common in northern India. These storms bring temporary relief as they lower the temperature and may bring light rain and cool breeze. This is also the season for localized thunderstorm associated with violent winds, torrential downpour, often accompanied by hail in West Bengal. These storms are known as Kal Baisakhi. Okay, children, Kal Baisakhi. Kal Baisakhi. What are Kal Baisakhi? Dust storms. Okay, these dust storms in the West Bengal are known as Kal Baisakhi in West Bengal. Towards the close of the summer season, pre-monsoon showers are common, especially in Kerala and Karnataka. They help in the early ripening of mangoes and are often referred to as mango showers. Mango showers. Okay, children. Kal Baisakhi, these are experienced in West Bengal, mango showers in Karnataka and in Kerala. Pre-monsoon showers help in early ripening of mangoes. That's why they are known as mango showers. Okay. Now, children, let us see some important conditions of hot weather season. The hot weather season starts from March to May. Okay. Temperature increases from south to north continuously, as we discussed earlier with the help of map. Pressure conditions. Air pressure falls. There is falling air pressure in the northern part of the country, and towards the end of the May, a low pressure area develops from Thar Desert to Patna and in the Chota Nagpur Plateau region. Wind condition. What type of wind? Strong, gusty, hot. Okay, strong, gusty and hot winds blow during the day over the north and northwestern India, called loo. Direct exposure to these winds may also cause death. Dust storms are also common. Dust storms are very common in the month of May in northern India. Okay. What is Kal Baisakhi? Dust storms. Storms in West Bengal are known as, okay, storms in West Bengal are known as Kal Baisakhi. Mango showers are experienced in Kerala and Karnataka as they help in the early ripening of mangoes. Therefore, they are called mango showers. Okay, children. So this is all for today's class. In the next video, we will discuss advancing monsoon season in India. Okay, thank you.